Hi, it's Dan Lesniak, the founder of the Orange Line Living Team and broker of Optimate Realty, which is also home to the Carrie Scholl team. In today's Ask the Real Estate Agent segment, I'm going to answer a question about condo fees. So I've recently been getting a lot of questions about, how should I approach condo fees when deciding to, buy a new home or a resale home as well. So, a condo fee is definitely something that you should take into consideration, something that, your lender is going to count in your overall payment when they're figuring out your debt to income ratio and how much money they will lend you and how much you'll qualify for. So it's something that you should pay attention to as well. And, it's not uncommon for condos in our area to have condo fees anywhere from $300-400 for one bedrooms to $600-800 for two bedrooms, even more. Some buildings that offer more luxurious amenities can get to be over $1,000 in fact. So you should definitely take that into account. If you're paying $500 in a condo fee every month, that's money that's not going towards your potential mortgage. So that $500 that you're spending on a condo fee would give you about $100,000 more in mortgage, and maybe even a little bit more, because for people living in their homes, the condo fee is not tax deductible. If it's a rental property, the condo fee is tax deductible. So remember that's a key difference. But I always like to sit down with buyers and show them the effect of condo fees by looking at, what else would come in their price range if they were not having to pay that condo fee. So if they're looking at a $600,000, two-bedroom condo with a $500,000 condo fee, well, if they eliminated that condo fee and went to a fee simple, townhouse or single-family home that had a minimal HOA fee or none, because those do exist, that would be another $100,000 or more of purchasing power. So if they're searching a particular area for up to $600,000, I like to also show them, well, hey, if you go fee simple in the same area and spend $700 or so, this is what you can get. So I would take a look at that. Now you should also take a look into what that condo fee includes. Typically at a minimum, it's going to be like trash, sewer removal, master insurance on the building. You still have to get a separate policy for the walls in. Usually it does not include electric, water, utilities, but sometimes it does. So take a look at that. Take a look at what other amenities come with it. Like, do you get a 24-hour concierge, package delivery, weight rooms, pools, all of that, because that might factor in. You might be able to eliminate a pool membership or gym membership. So factor all of that in and decide, would I be better off going fee simple and not getting these benefits and having a bigger purchase price. I would also factor in the age of the building. We've found that if it's a newer building, sometimes, the developer sets the condo fees a little bit lower, knowing that they might go up, 5-10%, typically years 1 and 2. So, don't be surprised if that happens in a new building. If it's an older building too, you really want to take the time to study the budgets, the reserves, the maintenance of the common facilities to make sure they're adequately funded. Because sometimes older buildings will have increases or special assessments if they haven't been upkept, proper maintenance and upkeep, and if they don't have enough reserves set aside. So take a look at all those factors. If you need help, we're always here. We'd love to help you evaluate that and present you all the options and maybe some you didn't know existed and help you make the best possible decision. If you have any other questions, we'd love to help as well. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.